Diego Gallardo is my name. Japanese street food is my passion. For years, I lived in Japan and learned from the masters until I became one. Now, I live in Lapland and continue to spread the knowledge. Yokoso! Welcome to Saiko by Jounin Kauppa. Today we're gonna do something a bit more fun. So we're gonna do Nori Sushi Burrito. So we're taking a bit rice. We're gonna take the nori, our sushi mat. Normally we do the maki sushi in the position that the lines for the nori go to the up. So now we're actually gonna turn it. So we're gonna have a bit more nori to working, and we can fill it with a bit more fillings inside, so the nori not get broken. While we're putting the rice in the nori sheet, we need to leave about 1 centimeter, 1 inch for the nori without the rice. And really taking care that the rice is spread in the nori sheet as equal. So now the rice and the nori is ready. We're gonna take some kimchi sesame seeds, and we're gonna spread the whole nori with that. Then we're gonna use some Japanese mayo, and the same thing for all the surface. We're gonna take a bit salad. You can actually do whatever salad you have in home, only that you need to remember to put it in a small. So that's the reason why I'm using the baby leaves for the salad. It's actually much more easy to handle. And you can add in there normal green salad, or you can use like a rucola or some other herbs. Now we're gonna take some avocado. We open it, we take a spoon, and we're gonna cut a few slices, and we're gonna put it in the center of the roll. And the sushi burrito is actually like the traditional Futomaki. It's a big roll with have 7, 8, 9 ingredients inside. Only that we're gonna change a little bit the style. So we're not gonna add traditionally, like in Japan, like a tamago or eel. We're gonna do it a bit different. We're gonna use like a bit more Western flavors. So we're gonna add a little bit white kale, some carrot. We're gonna add as well some marinated red onions. We're gonna add some sushi ebi, so some shrimps. Put it there in the center. And we're gonna use also sashimi grade salmon slices. So we're gonna put the salmon, and we're gonna add a bit of spring onions to give a bit more like a fresh taste. And now we're starting the rolling. So we're keeping all the fillings tight inside. And you just need to be sure that the nori from the up is touching actually the nori from the down. So now the roll is closed. We're gonna add a little bit water. We make some pressure, and our Futomaki is done, our sushi burrito. So now to give a bit more filling, as the normal burrito is done, we're gonna use some some wrapping paper. We're gonna add the maki in the center. We're gonna roll it. Take the sides closed so the filling for the maki is not falling down. Now we have the burrito done, and now we're gonna do in the center of the roll a cut, but we're gonna do it a bit in the with the angle, so it's more easy to eat. And now we're gonna take some plate for the decoration. So we have our sushi burrito ready, and this is quite fun to have in a table like a different dippings. So you can have a spicy mayo, you can have teriyaki, you can have some mango sauce, and you're just dipping the burrito in the sauce and you're just eating as a bite. You don't need any forks and knife or nothing. Hope you enjoy.